Hello and welcome to the Golf Diaries. Today we're looking at Auto Glanz Vision water repellent glass cleaner. Hello again and welcome back to the Golf Diaries. My name's Mark, and if you're into your VWs, VW lifestyle, car care, detailing, car shows, all that really cool stuff, then yeah, please like, subscribe. Hopefully you're in the right place. So what are we talking about today? Well, we're talking about an Auto Glanz product called Vision, which is a water repellent glass cleaner. So a bit of an alternative to those kind of glass sealants that you can get, and to be honest, I hope a little bit less faff to apply. So who are Auto Glanz? Well, if you saw my rebound review, if not, there's a link in the description below, then I go into a little bit more detail as to who Auto Glanz are. Can't get my words out, but who they are, where they're from. They're a UK-based company, family-run business, and they have a range of allegedly very good performing. I haven't tried them all yet, so hence the word allegedly, but of high performing, good value products that are manufactured right here in the UK. So if you want to know more about Auto Glanz, obviously you can go to their website, or you can go over to my rebound review link below and have a look. Now I should just say at this stage, just because I'm saying a bit nice things about Auto Glanz, I'm not affiliated to them. These products I've bought myself with my own money, and I don't part with my money very easily. So anyone who knows me will tell you that. So all the views are my own. No one will see this before you guys do, all that kind of blurb. Hey, you know, we're a tiny YouTube channel. I think my family and 2 of my friends probably watch this. So yeah, no brand's going to give us stuff for free. And even if they did give it for free, they would still get my honest opinion. So that's a given. So that's my assurance to you. So more about this product, Auto Glanz Vision. As I said, it's a water repellent glass cleaner. So in effect, I guess the best way of describing it is an all-in-one for your glass. We can get all-in-ones for paint, so why not for glass? Now this appealed to me when I read the description on this product, because whilst I have used glass sealants on the car, and there's lots of good reasons to use a glass sealant on the car for sure, certainly in the UK with constant rain. To be honest, I just find, busy as I am, I don't have the time all the time to prepare the glass and properly decontaminate it, then put the sealant on, and then only to find you end up getting windscreen wiper judder. And yeah, to me, on the windscreen, as good as they are when they're working, I just find them a little bit of a faff. And I have tried a lot of the products on the market, such as Anglewax H2Go, the Soft99 one, which I'm not quite sure how you say it, Gla'co, however you say it. But you know, they're good products, but just not what I really want to use. So when I heard of a glass cleaner that also left behind some water repellency, it kind of got my attention. It's designed primarily for exterior glass. You can use it on the interior for sure, but I'm not really sure why you'd want water repellency on the interior unless, well, I guess if you're a Land Rover driver, we get water all over the place, through the lights, through the seats, we get water everywhere. So maybe that makes sense. But for the vast majority, and certainly even in some of the classic V-dubs, water inside the cabin's not that big a deal. So you probably wouldn't want to use this. Now, Auto Glanz also produce a product called Moonshine, which is a high alcohol-based cleaner, which is probably your better bet for interior if you want to stay with the Auto Glanz line. But there's lots of glass cleaners out there. So basically, this includes, I'm just kind of checking my notes. You'll notice, if you're a regular viewer of my videos, thank you, but you'll notice I do kind of refer to, I used to try and do it really sneakily, you know, but now it's like, I'll just be honest. I've got notes here, I'm going to check. So getting on with it, Mark. So it has polymer and wetting agents. So when you spray it on, and we'll go outside and I'll show you the application, it takes seconds. It leaves a layer of polymers behind, which then beads up the water. And indeed, when you're driving along the road, you'll find the water is quickly kind of leaving the glass. So I've recently applied this to my new Caddy, a video of which is coming, a new Caddy, and I did a 50-50. So hopefully in the shots I'm about to show you, you can see that on the driver's side, there is some protection. I used the Vision, and on the passenger side, I didn't. Now, there's a noticeable difference between the speed the water leaves that glass. It really is quite noticeable in reality. Hopefully that comes across on the camera as well. The bottle itself is it's a nice bottle. It's got a great trigger sprayer with the on-off labelling, which I have discovered I quite like. And it's very clearly labelled in terms of instructions. It doesn't leave any kind of doubt as to how you should use it. So with no further ado, let's stop waffling about the bottle, get outside and show you just how easy it is to apply. Welcome back. So we sprayed, we wiped, job done. Hopefully it shows on the video just how well it cleaned the glass. I'm just looking for my cloth that I used to actually do the cleaning with, and I mean it is quite remarkable just how much dirt has come through the has come off the glass. It's very easy to use. Very often with kind of all-in-one products, whether it be on paint or any surface, there's a little bit of stickiness, a little bit of grabbiness whilst you're kind of buffing off. Not at all with this product. Not sure it will come over on the camera, but you can see a film appearing as you're wiping on. Then you just turn your cloth, buff it off. Dead easy, seconds, as you saw. It's water repellent. It does what it says on the tin. That's all I can say. So in terms of, does it solve my laziness issue of not wanting to prep and then seal? Well, time will tell. I mean, if it only lasts a week, then maybe not. But if it lasts a couple of weeks, so I'd only have to kind of just quickly go around the car after a maintenance wash, then it's a winner. You know, you're cleaning and you're protecting at the same time. It's going to protect the paint, the glass rather, from, you know, some airborne contaminants. It's insects are less likely to stick on it because of that polymer that is on the window. You know, it's got to be a winner when it's that easy to put on and it's that good value for money. Speaking of value for money, it starts 500ml for £8.95. So again, it kind of hits that sweet spot because you're not going to use lots of this. I mean, hopefully you saw on the video, very little for one pane of glass. So you're not going to use lots and lots of this stuff. So 500ml lasts you a fair while for £8.95. Yeah, I think this is one that's going to find its way into my armoury. I can only tell you in time as to how it lasts, of course. I can't tell you that stood here right now. But yeah, if it lasts a couple of weeks at least, I'll be happy. If it lasts longer, that's a bonus. So yeah, I'll feed back and let you know how it goes. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, please like, subscribe. You know the score. Hate saying it, but it does help the channel. So we're back. We're trying to grow. So please like, share, do whatever you want. It's a free world. So until next time, take care. Bye for now.